All right, we're back again. We're doing pulled pork burritos tonight. Nice, easy, fast one. We've got some tortillas. We're going to make a really nice guacamole with some onion, tomatoes, a bit of coriander, but you can use parsley if you don't like it. Chop in some good, nice capsicum. We've got a SmokeHaus pulled pork here, which is going to be ready in 5 minutes, so that's going to go in really well at the end. We're going to heat up some black beans, put some cheese and some rice in it, and I think it's going to be a winner. These are the freshest burritos we're ever going to have. Look at all these beautiful flavors we've got here. Let's put them together. Right, so you get better at rolling these with practice. Once we've done a few, you get a bit better at it, but check this out. I'm going to bite that up. For more recipe ideas, check out our website or follow us on Facebook or Instagram on DF SmokeHaus.